Beautiful. Fucking beast has no problem, even with the baldest tires in the world. Look at this shit. Just be a cruising in the beast. I can't believe I'm fucking getting around. Like 4 or 5 miles from work. Seen 6 or 7 cars in the ditch. Help me! Help me, Mr. Beastman! Mr. Beastman, help me! Let me ask you a question. You gonna put out? Jeepers. Hope someone don't meet me fucking head on. I ain't slowing down. Driving around in my automobile. My truck's a beast and that's a big deal.